friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw SpongeBob. So in the center for the nose, we're going to curve this line around, back down. For the cheeks now, leaving quite a big gap coming over on the side, we're going to curve this line around and then in. And then we're going to leave an equal amount of space on the left and replicate that. Let's close off the eyes. So on the bottom, we're going to draw in a nice big arch line, bringing that up towards our cheek from our nose. And now as we move in towards the top, starting from the center, we're going to arch this line all the way around, back down on the right. And we'll do the same on the left. Now for the eyelashes, in the center, we're going to draw in a straight line that comes up. We'll do the same as we move over on the right. And now on the left, we're going to draw in another diagonal line that comes out. Moving closer in towards our nose now, we're going to draw in a circle in our eye. We'll do the same on the left. And now in the middle, we're going to draw in another circle. Now let's draw in the mouth. So where our cheeks are, we're going to draw in a small curved line for the corner. And now let's connect this together with a nice big arch line, bringing this all the way around and then up on the side. For the teeth on the left, we're going to draw in a square. We'll leave a gap, replicating that on the right. Moving in from the middle now, we're going to curve this line down and then up on the left. And then we'll do the same as we move over on the right. Now let's draw on the bodies. On the top, we're going to draw in a wavy line, dipping our pen up and down as we come all the way over towards the right-hand side. And we're going to make sure that we extend this line back past our cheeks on both sides. Now that we've drawn our wavy line on the top, we're going to replicate that on both sides. And we're going to start to bring this in on a diagonal as we come down towards the bottom, making sure we extend this line past the bottom of our mouth. And we're going to replicate this on the right, ending this as the same height as the line on the left. Now let's connect this together on the bottom with another wavy line. Now let's draw the holes in the face. On the right-hand side, we're going to draw in a small oval. We're going to come down on the right and replicate that, making that slightly bigger. And then as we come underneath, we're going to draw in a smaller oval. Let's move over on the top left. And then moving underneath that on a diagonal, replicating that, just making that smaller. Now let's come down, another oval. And then again, as we move underneath. Now from here for the pants, we're going to draw in a diagonal line that comes in, ending that at the same height on both sides. Let's close this off now with a straight line on the bottom. Let's draw in the letter V on the left-hand side. And then we're going to move across, leaving a gap on the right and replicating that. The middle for the tie, we're going to draw a diagonal line that comes in on both sides. And then we're going to close that off with a straight line. Moving down for the tie, we're going to draw in another diagonal line that comes out on both sides. And then closing that off on the bottom again with the letter V. Now on the top right, we're going to draw in a straight line across. And then lining that up at the same height, we're going to do the same on the left. Beside the tie on both sides, we're going to draw in a rectangle. And then again, moving over, let's replicate that again. Now coming down for the pants, we're going to draw in a diagonal line that comes in on both sides. We're going to curve this line across towards the left and right. And then again from that point, we're going to bring this diagonal line up towards the top. Closing off the legs now on the inside, curving this line down. And then moving across, just replicating that. Now underneath, we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. For the socks, let's move up, drawing in a straight line across. We're going to move down now, replicating that twice as we move down. And then leaving a gap, we're going to replicate that one more time, doing that 2 more times. Now for the shoe on the back, curving this line in. On the top, we're going to curve a small line that comes down. Now from that point, arching this line around, back up. And then for the bottom of the shoe, bringing this line down, across, and then in. Lastly, let's draw on our arms. So on the outside, we're going to curve this line out and then in towards our legs. Let's move underneath now for the thumb, curving this around and then up. Let's draw on our first finger, curving this line around and then in. And then from that corner, closing off the arm, we're going to arch this line up. Now moving in towards the middle, curving this line back in. And then again, one last time for our pinky, curving this line down. From that point, we're going to curve this line in. And that is it. That's how you draw SpongeBob. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.